I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to find a string using grep or set command in Unix or Linux operating system. So there I'm going to use the segment terminal. You can use any Unix or Linux terminal there. So if I use pwd, then this is the present working directory, and I'm going to use this emp.csv file. So this file is there. So this file, so first here, we need to copy this location and use there. So pasting this location there. And the next is, let's use the cd command. Instead of giving forward slash, let's get the backslash. Now thereafter going to use the ls command. So this list of file, and now here going to use emp.csv file. So this is the record inside this emp.csv file. The next is going to find the string with the help of grep or set command. So let's use the grep, and here going to search cells. So cells, and give the file name emp.csv. So here you can see sales related word there that's displaying sales, salesman's. So this also has the sales, so that or this displaying. If you want to display only sales, so for this one you need to write there -w. So here you can see only sales that's displaying. Now let's use the set command. Set -n single quote. Here let's write sales. Thereafter backward slash, and going to use their p. P should be in a small letter, and give their emp.csv. So here you can see this is now sales related word that's displaying there. Sales, here salesman's, or this displaying there. Okay. So this is how we can find a string using grep or set command. Now if I write there -w. So here -w, then you can see this, you can helping things you can get, because -w you can not use. Minus is or silent, here is script only word separate, -u on. So here this is the restriction is there. So to only get the whole word. Okay, so next you need to use the grep -w, then only sales word or displaying there. And if you want to use their set cells, so here this or -w is not or working, so that here -n, then sales related word that's displaying. The word that has sales, it's displaying there. So the salesman has the sales that's displaying there. Okay. So this is how we can find out the string using grep or set command in Unix or Linux operating system.